not as easy as you think to get over you and me. It's 3 o'clock on a Wednesday and you're waiting by the phone, hoping that I'll call and say I'm sorry. But don't wait too long before you cry to our favorite song and get to thinking I'm gone. Oh, I'm gone. So I know that you'll be drinking, and I'll be doing the same, trying to wash down that pain. So I hope